Your home could look amazing in just 120 minutes. Not a fantasy, it's completely possible. I'm Marcus from Seniors Cleaning Hacks, and today I'm sharing the exact method that transforms dusty, cluttered spaces into warm, inviting holiday homes without exhausting you. Before you scroll away, here's what you need to know. If you've got limited time and big holiday plans, this guide changes everything. Drop a comment below telling me your biggest cleaning challenge and smash that like button if you want more practical home tips. Subscribe to Seniors Cleaning Hacks for weekly cleaning hacks that save you time and energy. Now let's get started. 1. The real purpose of holiday home cleaning. Marcus here with an important truth. Your home doesn't need to look like a display room. It needs to feel like a place where memories happen. The holiday season brings stress for countless individuals. Parents especially struggle with balancing family time and home preparation. The last thing you need is feeling anxious about cleaning when you should be enjoying the season with loved ones. Your cleaning objectives should focus on these 3 areas. Creating a warm, inviting space. Forget sterile perfection. Instead, add soft throw blankets across your furniture. Pile up comfortable cushions and light scented candles throughout different rooms. This builds the emotional atmosphere people actually want to experience during Christmas celebrations. Doing more with less effort. Concentrate on actions that give immediate results. A quick vacuum can transform a room faster than deep scrubbing corners nobody notices. Making guests feel welcome. When people enter your home, they should sense comfort and hospitality. A fireplace with flames flickering, gentle holiday music playing softly, and homemade treats available creates this feeling instantly. Remember this fundamental idea. Your holiday isn't about achieving perfection. It's about spending meaningful moments with the people you care about most. Once you accept this, cleaning becomes less stressful and more purposeful. Share this philosophy with someone who stresses about cleaning. Hit that share button now.
2. The 2-hour kitchen transformation. Your kitchen deserves attention because holiday cooking demands a clean, organized workspace. Step 1. Clear the space, 20 minutes. Start by removing items you won't use during the holiday period. That fancy gadget collecting dust? Put it away. Dishes stacked in corners? Organize them properly. When you eliminate unnecessary objects, your kitchen immediately feels larger and more functional. Next, examine your pantry carefully. Toss anything expired. Those mysterious jars from last year can go. Smell your spices. They lose potency over time. Check baking supplies and restock anything you're running low on. The goal is having everything you need for holiday cooking within arm's reach. Step 2. Create working areas, 15 minutes. Clear your countertops completely. Every surface should be free for meal preparation. Wipe down your sink with disinfectant, scrub your countertops thoroughly, and ensure these areas are ready for food handling. Here's a time-saving oven trick Marcus uses constantly. Fill a bowl with hot water and add a few tablespoons of dish soap. Place it inside your oven and run it at maximum temperature for 15 minutes. The steam loosens built-up grime significantly. When you wipe it down afterward, the job takes half the time. Step 3. Refrigerator quick fix, 10 minutes. Don't attempt a complete fridge deep clean right now. Save that for January. Instead, wipe down the shelves, remove expired items, and make space for groceries and holiday leftovers. An organized fridge is a functional fridge. Your kitchen should now feel fresh, organized, and ready for holiday meal preparation. If this kitchen hack helped you, drop a like and subscribe to Seniors Cleaning Hacks for more time-saving tricks. 3. The living room, your relaxation headquarters. This room gets the most use during the holidays, so it deserves special attention that doesn't take forever. Stage 1. Eliminate clutter. 15 minutes. Put away items that don't belong in your living room. Magazines, toys, papers, everything should have its place. This single action makes a massive difference in how spacious your room feels. Use a microfiber cloth to dust surfaces quickly. You're not aiming for spotless perfection, you're aiming for clean. Hit your furniture, shelves, and tables with quick, efficient movements. Stage 2. Soft furnishings treatment. 15 minutes. Vacuum your entire sofa thoroughly, including cushions and crevices. Don't skip the floor beneath furniture. Dust hides there. A thorough vacuum removes dirt that makes spaces feel stale. Give your carpet and rugs a complete vacuuming session. Move furniture if you can to get underneath. This effort pays off immediately. Stage 3. Final touches. 10 minutes. A quick mop of your floors refreshes the entire room. You're not deep cleaning, you're tidying up. Open a window for fresh air circulation. Your living room now feels welcoming and comfortable without requiring hours of exhausting work. Comment below, what's your favorite room in your home? Share with us and hit subscribe for more room-specific cleaning guides.
4. The bedroom sanctuary. Everyone deserves rest during the holidays, and a clean, peaceful bedroom makes this possible. First priority, organize clothing. 10 minutes. Put dirty laundry in your hamper immediately. Fold clean clothes properly and store them away. This simple action transforms your bedroom from chaotic to calm. Second priority, fresh bedding. 10 minutes. Change your bed sheets completely. Nothing feels better than sliding into freshly laundered linens. Add clean blankets and pillows. This single action creates a holiday feeling instantly. Third priority, remove dust. 10 minutes. Use your microfiber cloth or duster to quickly wipe surfaces. Nightstands, dressers, shelves, just quick passes that remove visible dust. Your bedroom will feel fresher immediately. Fourth priority, floor care. 10 minutes. Vacuum your entire carpet and flooring. Hair and dirt accumulate constantly, so this step noticeably improves the room's cleanliness. A quick floor mop removes the last particles of dust and helps refresh the air quality. Your bedroom now becomes a peaceful retreat where you can genuinely relax. Don't forget to subscribe to Seniors Cleaning Hacks and share this bedroom transformation with friends who need it. 5. The bathroom, making it sparkle. A clean bathroom is non-negotiable, and you'll appreciate it throughout the holiday period. Method 1. Smart timing strategy. 10 minutes. Clean your bathroom tiles immediately after showering when steam has loosened buildup. Hot water vapor makes this job dramatically easier. Give tiles a quick wipe with strong bathroom cleaner. Method 2. Toilet and sink sanitation. 10 minutes. Apply bathroom cleaner generously to your toilet bowl and sink surfaces. Let it sit for 10 minutes while the chemicals work. Then scrub and rinse thoroughly for quick sanitation. This approach uses science to reduce your physical effort. Method 3. Polish everything. 5 minutes. Polish your mirrors and faucets. These shiny surfaces immediately make your bathroom look cleaner and more upscale. Method 4. Finishing details. 5 minutes. Replace old towels with fresh, clean ones. Empty your trash bin, scrub the container with soapy water, and insert a new bag. This takes under 5 minutes, but dramatically improves how fresh your bathroom feels. Your bathroom now sparkles without requiring intense scrubbing. Share your before and after photos in the comments and subscribe to Seniors Cleaning Hacks for more bathroom brilliance tips.
6. Preparing spaces for overnight guests. If family or friends are staying with you, certain areas need extra preparation to ensure their comfort. Guest bathroom excellence, 15 minutes. Guest bathrooms sit unused for months, so they benefit tremendously from a refresh. Scrub the toilet and sink thoroughly. Provide soap, toilet paper, and fresh towels in obvious places.
A quick spritz of air freshener makes a genuine difference. Ensure trash cans are empty and place spare liners somewhere accessible. Guest bedroom preparation, 25 minutes. Many of us use spare bedrooms as storage, which means they're dusty and stale. Remove bulky items and organize them under the bed or against walls so guests have space to move freely. Open windows to air out the room completely. Dust every surface methodically. Vacuum carpets thoroughly and quickly mop floors. Make beds with clean sheets, blankets, and pillows. Your guests will notice and appreciate these efforts. Alternative sleeping arrangements, 20 minutes. If you don't have a dedicated guest room, pull-out beds or sofa beds need special attention. These pieces accumulate dust sitting closed for long periods. Assemble the bed completely and vacuum every surface, including crevices. Leave it open to air out and eliminate stale odors. Prepare fresh linens and blankets. If you're using the space during the day, keep bed linens in a basket so the room looks neat and organized. Guest comfort shows that you value them and their visit. This effort creates meaningful holiday memories. Tell us in the comments, how many guests are you expecting? Subscribe to Seniors Cleaning Hacks and share this guest preparation guide with anyone hosting this holiday.
7. What not to waste time on. This section is critical because Marcus wants you to prioritize intelligently. Skip deep carpet cleaning. Heavy foot traffic during Christmas will dirty your carpets again regardless. Save professional carpet cleaning for January when things settle down. Thorough vacuuming is absolutely sufficient right now. Winter humidity might also prevent carpets from drying properly after professional cleaning anyway. Forget sofa deep cleaning. Unless you're dealing with a major stain or spill, skip the intensive upholstered furniture cleaning. Your time is too valuable. Thorough vacuuming, including cushions and underneath, handles most situations. Use throws and blankets to cover minor imperfections artfully. Minimize window cleaning. Clean windows are beautiful, but thorough window cleaning is messy, tedious, and time-consuming. With shorter winter days and everyone gathering indoors, sparkling windows create minimal impact. If you notice obvious smudges or fingerprints, quick wipe-downs with microfiber cloths and window cleaner address them without consuming hours. The strategic approach. High-impact cleaning tasks deliver results quickly. Deep cleaning chores eat time without proportional reward. By focusing on visible, frequently used areas and skipping unnecessary tasks, you dramatically reduce your workload and actually enjoy your holiday season instead of stress cleaning constantly. Like this practical approach? Subscribe to Seniors Cleaning Hacks for more intelligent cleaning shortcuts that respect your time and energy. 8. The complete 2-hour schedule. Marcus created this timeline so you follow a logical sequence without wasting steps. Minutes 0 to 20, kitchen decluttering. Remove unnecessary items and examine your pantry. Clear countertops completely for meal preparation workspace. Minutes 20 to 35, kitchen deep touches. Sanitize sinks and countertops. Use the oven steam trick. Wipe fridge shelves and organize space. Minutes 35 to 50, living room organization. Eliminate clutter from surfaces and furniture. Quick dust everything with your microfiber cloth. Minutes 50 to 65, soft surfaces. Vacuum sofas, cushions, and all flooring. Quick mop your floors to refresh the space. Minutes 65 to 75, master bedroom clothing. Fold and store all clothes. Put dirty laundry in hampers immediately. Minutes 75 to 85, bedroom linens and dusting. Change all bed sheets. Add fresh blankets and pillows. Quick dust surfaces. Minutes 85 to 95, bedroom flooring. Vacuum carpets and all floors thoroughly. Quick mop for final freshness. Minutes 95 to 105, bathroom cleaning. Sanitize toilet and sink.
Polish mirrors and faucets. Replace towels. Minutes 105 to 120, final details. Empty trash bins. Refresh bathroom. Do quick final touch-ups throughout your home. You now have a completely clean, welcoming home in exactly 120 minutes. Share this schedule with anyone feeling overwhelmed by holiday cleaning. Subscribe to Seniors Cleaning Hacks for more time-specific cleaning guides.
9. The mindset shift. Marcus wants you to understand something fundamental. Perfection is the enemy of enjoyment. The holidays celebrate connection, not cleanliness. Every minute you spend obsessing over dust is a minute stolen from creating memories with people you love. Your children remember laughter and warmth, not whether the baseboards gleamed. Accept that your home doesn't need museum-quality standards. It needs to feel warm, welcoming, and safe. A few dust particles won't ruin anyone's holiday experience. Anxiety and stress definitely will. Give yourself permission to let some things go. Your mental peace matters more than pristine floors. Your energy matters more than perfect corners. Your time matters more than exhaustion. Focus on creating an atmosphere where people feel valued and comfortable. That accomplishes the actual goal of the holiday season.
10. Managing post-holiday cleanup. After your guests leave and the festivities finish, don't panic about messes. January is the perfect time for deep cleaning when you have space and energy. Professional services can handle carpet restoration after heavy foot traffic and spills. Upholstery cleaning can restore furniture shine. Stain removal specialists tackle stubborn marks from holiday drinks and food. Mattress cleaning addresses accidental spills from holiday snacking. For now, focus on the next 2 hours. Clean what matters, skip what doesn't. Create the atmosphere you want. Enjoy your holiday. You've got this. 2 hours, your home transformed, your stress reduced, your holiday ready to celebrate properly. Before you go, drop a comment telling Marcus your biggest cleaning challenge this holiday season. Like this video if it helped you. Subscribe to Seniors Cleaning Hacks for weekly practical cleaning tips that respect your time and energy. Share this guide with anyone stressed about holiday preparation. Your family doesn't need a perfect home. They need you relaxed and present. This 2-hour plan gives you exactly that. Happy holidays from Marcus and everyone at Seniors Cleaning Hacks. Let's make this your best, most stress-free Christmas yet.